Hey guys, my name is Lauren LaBeouf and welcome back to another Fitness Friday video. So today is a Fitness Friday video. Friday, let's work out, and today is going to be a 10-minute workout. All you need is 10 minutes for this workout. There's no equipment needed. Before I hop into this video, it's also an exciting video because today's Fitness Friday is in collaboration with Shayla Kelly. She's here on YouTube and her videos are just so amazing. She's another small YouTuber, so shout out to her. She used to do gymnastics, so she's always been active, and now she stays active, usually with HIIT training, I think, and what I can see from her videos. So I feel like we're really similar in that aspect as well, since I did dance and now I kind of need to find different ways to stay active and stay fit. So HIIT workouts are the way to go, which is what we're doing today. And if you're coming from her channel, hi, my name is Lauren, like I said, obviously. Shayla's gonna be doing a workout related video as well. I'm pretty sure she will be talking about either a workout or maybe some tips. We will see what she comes up with, but I'm sure it's gonna be great. We're gonna be working out and I'm so excited. You can just click play on this video and work out with me for 10 minutes, and definitely subscribe if you aren't already. And let me know if you're coming from her channel in the comments. I'd love to say hi, and let's go ahead and hop right into this video. All right, we're starting out with lunges and we're gonna go down and kick up. With your standing leg, you want to kind of keep it bent. And we're going to be doing this for 30 seconds, and then we're switching legs. And 3 more seconds. And switch legs. And this standing leg isn't completely getting straight. That way your glutes are staying activated. I hope you guys can hear me. This is really getting our legs fired up. Alright, shake it out. Now we're going into jump squats. So we're going to come down, jump up. This is really going to get your heart rate up, and you're not only working your thighs, but you're also increasing your heart rate. All right, in 3 seconds, we're going to the ground, coming down to the ground, and we're doing mountain climbers. Now we're going into push-ups, and you're going to tap the ground. Try to keep your body all in a line. All right, coming up, sitting down, we're doing bicycle crunches. We're going down to the ground and kicking our legs back and And we're gonna switch our legs and do the same thing for 30 seconds. repeating all of that again. Back up through lunges. You want to keep these quick so your heart rate stays up. Whew, my legs are burning. All right, 3, 2, 1, switch legs. Really keeping the glute tight and your hamstrings. Getting ready to go into the squat jumps. I know, you probably hate me. Really keeping your heart rate up. If you need to do a break, this is the modified version, but make sure you keep going whatever you're doing. My legs are already sore because yesterday I did a leg workout, so that's probably a bad idea. All right, we're coming down to mountain climbers for 30 seconds. Really engaging your core. 10 seconds. All right, we're going down to doing push-ups and then arms out. Try and keep your arms by your side. We're gonna pick our feet up and then we're gonna crunch up. And rolling over. And this time when you do 5, I want you to pulse for 5. And then do it again. 3, 4, 5, pulse. All right, switch legs. And pull, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. And we're gonna do a plank. No, we're gonna do more abs. So we're coming down here, and if you can, get your shoulders off the floor and slowly tap down. So you should have your core really engaged and barely almost touching the ground with your heels. Alright, to end it off, we're doing burpees. So you're gonna go here, up, down, up. Seconds. those same lunges. Make these quick. Your last exercise, and then you can rest. Switch legs. Going into a middle squat. Ten seconds. 2, 1, and you're done. Wow, I'm tired. Okay guys, and that is it for the 10-minute workout. I did it without any breaks, but if you want, you can totally do breaks. I'll break for 10 seconds, I'll be on for a minute. Whatever you feel is totally fine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you worked out with me. If you did, send me a DM. Let me know on Instagram or comment down below. I'll have Shayla's video linked down below as well, and all of my social media sites if you want to follow me there. I'm gonna go catch my breath, get some water, rehydrate, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!